After marathon talks, Iran and world powers took a major step forward in July when they announced completion of the agreement known as the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Now, with the nod of approval from the UN nuclear watchdog, Iran and world powers have taken the next major step, implementation. But the U.S. says world powers will continue to watch Iran closely.
We will ensure that the specter of a nuclear-armed Iran is removed as a threat to the Middle East security and global peace.
Iran's compliance, which included removing thousands of centrifuges and disabling a heavy water reactor, has also helped provide an opening for U.S. dialogue with Iran on other issues.
There is at least the beginnings of an ability to at least talk to Iran about issues like Syria and get a political process in play that they buy into. So that's, again, significant.
But some say recent provocative action by Iran, such as its brief detention of U.S. sailors, has raised concerns that Washington may be moving too fast with Tehran.
It seems to be an indication of where we're going. That Iran deal is the dumbest deal I think I've ever seen.
But if Iran establishes a solid record of implementation during the first year of the plan, it would be difficult for any future U.S. leader to undo U.S. participation, says Kelsey Davenport.
If there are no violations, and the deal is seen to be working to prevent Iran from moving towards a nuclear weapon, then I think it will be much more difficult for a president to justify moving out of the deal, regardless of their political party.
Davenport says the agreement gives Iran access to upwards of $50 billion in previously frozen assets. But as far as Iranian business with the U.S. is concerned, the impact of nuclear sanctions relief will be limited, said Barbara Slavin, who spoke via Skype.
The Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action carves out a couple of exceptions for U.S. companies. Boeing can sell civilian airliners to Iran, for example. But apart from food, medicine, medical devices, most U.S. trade with Iran will remain barred.
She says the countries likely to benefit the most from implementation are those that have done extensive trade with Tehran in the past, such as China and other Asian countries, as well as Russia. Pam Dockins, VOA News, the State Department.